So the Common Core center that I've chosen is for English because I'm going to be a high school English teacher. Ideally, that's what I'd like to be. So the Common Core for English language is to have students read stories and literature as well as more complex texts that provide facts and background knowledge in areas such as science and social studies. Basically, be proficient in reading more complex stories and just more complex facts. Just intelligent reading, not really like Dr. Seuss or stuff like that. Okay, so the instructional grouping to meet the needs for that, how to be a more proficient reader and studying the complex texts. I think the best thing would be for that would be a pair share. One, just right off the bat, I believe that pair sharing always makes class time much more bearable. Students don't like to just sit there all day and just listen to me babble. And so if the chance they get to talk with another student and bounce ideas off of one another, I think that would be good for them. And I mean, I think the pair share think pair share will work for them. They talk with their elbow partner and just bounce ideas off of the text that they have been reading. So, oh, right, okay. So, okay, I'll need to address why that promote engagement during instruction. So again, I think that would promote engagement because if they get a chance to have their voice heard and talk with their fellow students, I think that'll have them be more engaged because it's give them a little bit more freedom. And I think that works with constructivism learning theory. I mean, it promotes active engagement, and students, I do believe, are empty vessels, and they build on their own knowledge, right? They need to be filled with knowledge, and if they will be filled with knowledge quicker if they speak with other people, not just themselves. They don't just form the knowledge by themselves. They each speak with each other and learn together. They're more knowledge, more voices equal more knowledge. I probably could have put that in a more intelligent way, but I mean, I'm kind of stumbling over my words right now. Sorry, I've had a long day at work. And it's also would help with just problem solving, just having an extra set of eyes for, if they're reading complex text. I mean, why do we have book clubs? Why are book clubs a thing? For different minds to think and pair share to help better understand the information that they're reading. That was a great example. I just thought off the top of my head. I'm proud of myself. Okay, so personal example. I mean, I teach class at my church sometimes, and I always get the best results from the students when I ask them questions and let them talk out amongst themselves. If I just talk nonstop and babble for an hour, they're not going to listen to me and I'm going to lose them. But if I give them the chance to pair share and look at the Bible account that we're reading, then I feel like they learn much quicker. Hope that is sufficient. Sorry for all the stuttering and mumbling.